All right, welcome back to the channel. Sanding. There's a lot of sanding going on in guitar building, right? This is how my sanding, this is how I organize it. I put it all in one bin. Got rolls, clearly a lot of Harbor Freight sanding paper. This is just a nightmare. What I want to do is make a drawer that organizes all my sandpaper. I use it too much. I want to be able to see if I'm running low on something or if I need to go get something, rather than having all this stuff. So much like my router bit drawer, where I wanted a better organization for these guys, which I just drilled holes and made a basic place for them to kind of stay put. I want to do the same thing with sanding. That way, just everything's in one spot. Yeah, you can see what you have and what you need. So how I'm going to accomplish this is, got a pair of drawer slides, and I bought a small wooden dowel from which I will be making an area that the sandpaper can go into and stay put without, flying away. Then with some of the sandpaper that doesn't have this, where I like the sticky paper, I've made videos on why I love that adhesive paper. I'll probably just make some square cutouts and just organize everything, and that way you can look at what the grid is, and easy place to find exactly what you need to be more efficient. All right, so the instructions for these say basically to give these guys a 1/2 inch, which means together they make a full inch. And doing the measurement is 23 and 13/16. We need to cut some plywood to 22 and 13/16. Yeah, let's do it. So these are my sides. We're going to cut some walls to surround this in, and a ledge for it to be pulled out, and then we'll start mapping out all of this space to organize. All right, so what we're going to do is just glue these rails in, and I'm doing it this way because this is carrying no great weight because it's the sandpaper. But you can make the rails on the outside, make a drawer on the outside like you would for a kitchen or such, but I don't really care. Just to hold in place, I basically just follow the line. Quick setting. Harbor Freight's quick setting 2-part epoxy, because I think it's a little stronger and it sets much faster. So these are kind of on here really good. I ended up getting some more discs to kind of fill out what I was missing, and that's the whole point of this organizational unit, is to be able to kind of see what you have. And on the opposite side, the fuzzy side connects to the sander. Now you can read what it is. So I just turn it upside down. And just like that, we're all finished. Let's shove it in, see how it looks. So this just tickles me pink. Nice little spot from other palm sander. Everything's organized. 80, 150, 2, 320, 4, 6. And then the sticky 2, 320, 4, 6. Here's my little right angle sander, and this video coming soon, my little extra 2-inch discs. This is exactly what I wanted. This makes me feel more confident, organized, and I know if I'm low on something, if I need to get something, so I'm not scrambling through a box trying to figure out, oh shoot, where's that sanding paper at? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, you know what to do. I appreciate it, and there'll be off to make another video, I guess. Have a great day.